Okay, so what do we have here? A lot. So I'm going to do a quick little update, and I'll probably just make this a short. This is where I'm at so far on my 10,000 opens on my knives. It started with just Spydercos, and it's kind of progressing to a Ganzo. So we're going to do it too. And eventually I'm going to do some, I don't know, some cheap knockoff knives. I'm still going to do the switchblade. So I've got 10,000 opens on this Spyderco PM. And I believe I only got like 300 or 400 opens using the button before I hit the 10,000. On this Manix 2, I've got 10,000 opens. We got to tear it. We've torn this down and looked at it at 7,000. We're going to look at it again at 10,000. So I've still got to do another video tearing this down and seeing what if there's any wear at 10,000 opens. So the Manix 2, I didn't do a shorter one. I'm this at 10,000, so we're going to do an open on it at 10,000 to see what it looks like. Then I've got this Sage 5, and I've got 10,000 opens using this button, and it has stayed on. So I'm pretty excited about my CLB, my compression lock button. 3D printed, staying on. I may end up going ahead and start selling the actual buttons. Comment and tell me if you want to, or you want me to. So anyway, I got 10,000 opens on this knife. We're going to tear it down, take a look at it. And this is also in Rex 121. Shaman, 10,000 opens. And I don't think I have a full 10,000 on the button. It is, I think, 3,500 opens using the button, because I put it on at that point. I had 10,000 on the PM2, and I just been working on this for a little while. Tenacious, 10,000 opens. That was painful. Cut myself a lot. I am at 6,200 opens here on this Yojimbo with this button. It is staying in there, holding up good. So again, I am very excited about these buttons. They are holding up. 6,600 opens today. That's where I'm at on this Yojimbo. And I'm only at about 300 on this. It is a Ganzo, you can see, and I'm saying it's a knockoff of an AD10. So I'm going to do a comparison on those. I'm going to do a deal on this whenever I hit 10,000 opens, and also another one to review it. So that's a quick little deal. Here's the buttons I've made so far. The buttons for the Jimbo 2, the PM2, the Shaman 2, and the Sage 5. And as I get any more Spyderco knives, I'll make buttons for those as well, for compression locks. So this is just a quick little update where I'm at on all this stuff right here, and I'm going to be going ahead and doing reviews on these knives, because so far I think the only one I've done a review on is the PM2. So anyway, I hope you found something interesting in this, and I hope you are looking forward to seeing some of these teardown videos. That's all I got. I appreciate you guys. Thanks. See you next time. Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.